Hi guys, I'm Davina from Angelica Yarns, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do single crochet. To get started, you're going to need some yarn and a hook. The only thing you need to know prior to watching this video is how to make a chain. You can learn how to make a chain by checking out the link in the description below. To get started, I'm going to chain 6. To begin your single crochet, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. So here's one, you're going to do the second one. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull the yarn through the first loop on your hook. So there's two, there's 1 and 2, you're going to pull through just one. Yarn over again, and pull through both. Do this in every chain across. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. I'm just going to show you guys all the way across before we start the next row. Alright, so when you reach the end of the row, if you're going to make your work taller, you need to chain 1, because the single crochet stitch is only 1 stitch high. Some stitches are more, some stitches you have to chain 2 or 3. For single crochet you only have to chain 1. And you're going to turn your work around. So you're going to work this way now. So now you're going to insert your hook into the last single crochet, not your chain, the single crochet. When you do that, you got to make sure that you insert into both loops, because if you could see, there's a front loop here, and there's a back loop here. You want to make sure that you get into both of them. By going through both of them, you make your work more sturdy. And if you only insert into the back loop, it gives it like a striped effect, which is good for scarves, but not for all projects. Personally, I like to use the single crochet to start off blankets or scarves or anything that like goes long. So like when you want to make a scarf, you can chain 100 and single crochet all the way across, chain 1, single crochet all the way back. It actually makes a really nice scarf. And that's how you do single crochet. Thank you for watching.